Hi everyone! Welcome back to Twistnblossom. Today I'm going to make a cute crochet phone bag. So let's start crocheting together. This is the tools I use. First, make a slip knot, then make 28 chains. In the second chain, make 2 single crochets in the same stitch. Make 25 single crochet in the next chain. In the last chain, make 3 single crochets in the same stitch. Next, make archelo single crochet. Lastly, make slip stitch. The base is finished. It's time to make the body of the bag. Make 5 chains, then make a double crochet in the next stitch. Skip 3 stitches. Then in the 4th stitch, make 1 double crochet. Two chain. And 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat the previous steps again. Skip 3, and in the 4th stitch, make 1 double crochet. 2 chain and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. Repeat the steps up to 14 times. After 14 times, slip stitch to the 3rd chain. We will start row 2 with 1 chain. Then we make a front post double crochet. Pay attention to the steps. Hook the yarn, pull through the double crochet under. Pull 2, pull 2. Next, we will make it in the 2 chains below. Make 3 double crochets. One chain. Then make 3 more double crochets still in the same place. The next one will be a bit tricky, so please pay attention. Hook the yarn, hook it with the double crochet underneath, then hook the yarn again, then pull 2. Leave 2 yarns, hook the yarn again, hook it into the double crochet next to it, take another yarn, so there are 4. Hook the yarn, pull 2, so there are 3. Hook the yarn again, pull 3. Do the steps again until the surroundings are full. when you get to the end, it's a little different, so pay attention. Hook the yarn through the double crochet underneath, pull the yarn again. So there are 3, hook the yarn, pull past 2, remaining 2. Insert the crochet hook into the second stitch. Hook the yarn, so there are 3. Hook the yarn again and pull it through all 3. Make 3 slip stitch in the next chain. Next, we will start row 3. Make 5 chains. Then 1 double crochet, still in the same hole. Then we will make 1 double crochet in this 1 chain hole. Make 1 double crochet. Two chain and 1 double crochet again in the same place. Do it again up to 14 times. Slip stitch in chain 3. Repeat all the steps until there are 18 rows, or you can adjust it according to the size of your hand phone. And here's the final look of my crochet phone bag. I hope you enjoy this project as much as I do. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more cozy creations.